help, and we'll show you how to make like sugar milk. We made sugar milk right here. All you need is a spoon and a cup, and then you gotta put some milk in the cup, and then like get the spoon, and then put a little sugar inside, and then that's how you get it. That's how you like cure hiccups, like bad hiccups. That's how you get them away. I just have bad hiccups. I'm gonna drink some. I have really bad hiccups. Tastes good. Tastes really good. And it worked.